intro. And they're really finicky today, so I might not have another opportunity like that. But anyways, we're out here again at the same ponds that I actually caught that walleye. We're catching a lot of perch here. They're being really finicky. Out here with Carson and Carter. And Carson brought his little brother along, so yeah, it's pretty good. Freaking mad that my GoPro wasn't on for that. Literally had a fish on, but it's whatever. I'll live through it. Just a little disappointed that I didn't get that. That's all. There we go. Oh wow, that's a tiny perch. This is my third fish of the day. So far I'm in the lead with the fish. This is a tiny perch. Very small perch. It looks a lot like a walleye actually. Just a nice olive colored yellow perch. Fun to catch. This is actually the same pond that I caught that walleye out of in the fall. Little bluegill right there, pretty color. That was probably the best perch of the day. I just caught the biggest bluegill the day, and then Carter comes up right after me. Right on top of the mouth. Oh dude, look! This one's got a bunch of eggs coming out of it. Almost like 40, 60, 70, maybe 1,000. Hey guys, we're back. We've switched ponds. I need black worm. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a somewhat buttered bluegill.
That's like a 7.
Dude, this is a nice one. I want to see how big it is. That's the biggest perch of the day. It's actually a really nice one. Right there. There's another bluegill. My GoPro's about to die, so I'm gonna end the video unless I catch another fish. Not like a good fish. I'm just gonna keep concentrating on fishing. So thank you guys for watching this one. Make sure to subscribe. Check out Carson and Carter. So I'll see you guys next time.